Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to check out our first video where we talk about what Flipper Zero is and why it's such a cool little gadget. Today we are going to dive into actually using the Flipper Zero, how to power it up, get around the menus, and some tips to get you started. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing first, let's power this thing on. All you gotta do is press and hold the middle button for a few seconds, and boom, it's alive. You will see the cute little dolphin pop up and greet you, which is always fun. Okay, now that we are in, let's talk the navigation. Flipper Zero keeps it the old school with a simple D-pad, up, down, left, right, and a center button for select. No touch screen to mess with, no tiny keyboard, just simple and straightforward. So, you got your main menu right here. From here, you can access all the core functions like NFC, RFID, infrared, and more. Navigating around is pretty intuitive. Use the D-pad to scroll and hit the center button to select. If you ever get lost, just hit the back button and you are good to go. One thing to keep in mind, Flipper Zero isn't like your smartphone. It's designed to be quick and efficient. The menus are clean and everything is where it should be. No extra fluff. And if you are worried about battery life, don't be. This thing got a 2100 mAh rechargeable battery, so you are looking at up to a month of usage before you need to plug it in. Just use the USB-C port right here and you are back in action. Super convenient, right? Plus, there are different power modes. You got normal mode for everyday use, and if you are looking to save battery, just put it in sleep mode. It's really simple, just hold the middle button down and choose your power settings. A quick tip, if you are not using it, try to keep it sleep mode. This keeps the battery going for longer. Also, make sure to charge it fully before you start using it for the first time. Just a little tip from me to you. Alright, that's it for this video. Now you know how to power on, navigate the menus, and keep your Flipper Zero running strong. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into some of the core functions like NFC and RFID. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.